Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that sounds delicious, but is actually a fundamental piece of how the internet works and how hackers might try to get into your accounts. We're talking about cookies. Now, I'm not talking about chocolate chip. In cybersecurity, a cookie is a tiny piece of data that websites tuck away in your browser. Have you ever wondered how a website remembers you're logged in, even after you close the tab? Or how your shopping cart stays full even if you leave the site for an hour? That's the work of a cookie. Let's dive into the details. To understand cookies, imagine you're going to a fancy event with a code check. You hand over your code, and the attendant gives you a numbered ticket. That ticket is your cookie. The attendant doesn't need to remember your face or your name. They just need to see that ticket to know which code belongs to you. On the web, the code is your login session or your preferences, and the ticket is the cookie stored in your browser. Without it, the website would forget who you are every single time you clicked a new link. Technically, cookies were created because the web's main protocol, HTTP, is stateless. This means the server has a short memory. When you visit a site, the server generates a unique ID for you. It sends this ID to your browser, which saves it in a small text file. Now, every time you move to a new page on that site, your browser automatically attaches that ID to your request. The server sees it and says, user 101 is back. I'll keep them logged in. It's seamless, fast, and makes the modern web possible. Not all cookies are the same. We generally group them into a few categories. Session cookies. These are temporary. They're like a visitor's badge that expires the moment you leave the building, or in this case, close your browser. Persistent cookies. These stay on your device until a specific date. These are what keep you logged in for weeks at a time. First-party versus third-party. First-party cookies are set by the site you're actually visiting. Third-party cookies are usually set by advertisers to track your behavior across different websites. This is why you see an ad for shoes on Instagram after looking at them on a totally different site. Now, let's get to the security part. Since cookies hold the keys to your accounts, they are prime targets for hackers. Session hijacking. If a hacker steals your active session cookie, perhaps over an unsecured public Wi-Fi, they can paste it into their own browser. Suddenly, they are you. They don't need your password or your 2FA because they have the ticket that says they're already logged in. XSS. This is where a hacker injects a malicious script into a website. When you load that page, the script runs and sends your cookies directly to the hacker's server without you ever knowing. Cookie poisoning. This is when an attacker modifies the data inside the cookie to trick the server into giving them higher permissions, like changing a user ID to an admin ID. So, how do we protect ourselves? If you're a developer, you use flags like HttpOnly, which prevents scripts from touching cookies, and the secure flag, which ensures cookies are only sent over encrypted connections. For the rest of us, avoid doing sensitive tasks like banking on public Wi-Fi. Regularly clear your browser cookies. And use Incognito mode when you're on a shared computer because it deletes all cookies the moment you close the window. Cookies make the web convenient, but they also require caution. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity deep dives. Would you like me to do a follow-up video showing you exactly how to inspect and manage cookies inside your own browser? Let me know in the comments.